the word that may look small, but it plays a big role in English. It helps us point to things, describe ideas, and connect thoughts. Let's explore how this simple word works. When we say that, we often point to something far away. For example, that car is red. It shows distance, not close to us, but still important. That also helps describe things. When we say, I like that movie, we make it clear which movie we mean. It gives our words focus and meaning. Sometimes, that connects to ideas. I think that you are right, it joins what we think with what we believe. It's like a bridge between thoughts. That can also start a clause, a small group of words that adds more detail. She said that she was happy. Here, that helps explain what she said. In casual speech, we can drop that. I know you are tired, sounds natural and friendly. It's still correct, just simpler. Remember the difference between this and that. This is near. That is far. This apple is here. That apple is there. We also use that in short phrases like that's great or that's it. These expressions sound natural and full of emotion. Now, it's your turn. Try using that in your own sentences. Think of things far away or ideas you want to connect. Thank you for learning with Wordscience. Keep exploring English words every day, and remember, small words can make a big difference.